What's up, guys? I hope you're all well. Chattio here. Today, we are checking out Not the 9 o'clock news, Schoolboy and Headmaster. This will be interesting. As you can see, we got Rowan Atkinson in this one. All right, let's check her out, shall we?
Suitor, when you first came to this school, we took you on account of a most entertaining essay you wrote about a parrot that belonged to your aunt.
Ah, yes, sir.
Since then, your progress has been disappointing.
Uh-oh.
I have here your exam papers from this year. Let's take a look at the general paper, shall we?
Nope.
Question 1 was write an essay about perseverance.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember how you began this essay, Suitor?
No, sir.
Read this, it'll help.
General paper, final exam, T. Suitor, autumn 1980. Subject, perseverance.
Yes, get on with it.
My aunt, who I live with, has a parrot called Perseverance. One day...
Yes, and you proceed to tell exactly the same story you told when you arrived at this school.
Yes, sir.
Here's a slightly different one. History, question 5.
What was notable about the late 50s?
And your answer? My aunt, who I live with, used to have a parrot who is now dead. The most notable thing about the late 50s was his enormous appetite. And question 7.
Describe the South Sea bubble and its effect on investment.
Go on.
The South Sea bubble was a large goldfish, and its effects on investment, which was a parrot owned by my aunt, who I live with.
Sultan! Do you think I am some sort of cretin? Do you think I haven't noticed? It's with whom I live!
Oh my God.
With whom I live, not who I live with!
Oh, nice. Oh, that's so good. I didn't even catch that. And I'm a shitty librarian. What can I say? How did I not catch that? That's funny. I enjoyed that very much. I hope you guys did too. I will be doing more, Not the 9 o'clock news, in the near future. But with that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Stay safe and don't forget to wash your hands. Bye.